Today, you're going to learn how to quickly check if you need to file a tax return in the UK or US using ChatGPT as your personal tax assistant. I'll walk you through simple prompts you can type into ChatGPT so it can look at your situation and tell you, in plain English, whether you need to file or not. This is perfect for beginners, employees, freelancers, small business owners, and anyone with side hustle or crypto income. Before we start, gather some basic details about your income. You don't need exact figures yet, just a rough idea of what you earned from employment, freelance or self-employment, rental properties, dividends or investments, crypto trading, side hustles or online income. Once you're ready, open ChatGPT and type this first prompt. Act as a tax assistant. I'm based in UK, US. What are the details that I need to provide? ChatGPT will provide information to give you an initial answer and explain if you're likely required to file a return in your country. Next, we'll get country specific, so the advice is clearer. If you're in the UK, use this. Using UK tax rules, tell me if I need to file a self-assessment tax return based on my situation. Explain the main reasons in simple terms and mention common triggers like untaxed income, self-employment, over £1,000, rental income, or capital gains. ChatGPT will explain the typical triggers for UK self-assessment, such as you earned untaxed income. You made over £1,000 from self-employment. You have rental income. You made capital gains. Or HMRC has asked you to file a return. If you're in the US, use this version. Using US IRS rules, tell me if I need to file a federal tax return based on my situation above. Compare my income to the standard deduction and mention things like W-2 income, 1099 income, self-employment, capital gains, and crypto. ChatGPT will check whether your income is above the standard deduction. You earned 1,099 income or self-employment income. You had capital gains or crypto trades. You ran a business or side hustle. Now let's make ChatGPT's answer even clearer and beginner-friendly. After ChatGPT responds, you can follow up with this. Summarize your answer in one clear sentence. Do I need to file a tax return? Yes or no? Then give me a short bullet list explaining why. This gives you a straightforward answer instead of a long paragraph of tax language. If you want to understand what might happen if you don't file when you should, you can ask, if I'm required to file a tax return and don't do it, what are the possible penalties or consequences in the UK/US? Also, tell me the usual filing deadlines in my country. This helps you see the importance of filing on time and reminds you of key dates like 31st January in the UK or April, filing deadlines in the US. You can also get ChatGPT to help you prepare for filing, even if you're only checking today. Create a simple checklist of documents and information I should collect if I do need to file a tax return in the UK/US based on my situation. ChatGPT will list things like pay slips, P60/W2, 1099s, invoices, bank statements, and expense records, so you're not scrambling later. Finally, once you're happy with the answer, you can ask ChatGPT to help you stay organized for the future. Create a simple monthly routine I can follow to track income and expenses, so it's easy to know my tax position and file on time next year. This turns a stressful once-a-year task into a simple monthly habit, and that's it. Instead of guessing or scrolling through confusing tax websites, you can use ChatGPT to quickly work out if you need to file a tax return in the UK or US, understand why, and know what to do next. Use these prompts, save them for tax season, and always double-check important details with HMRC or the IRS if you're unsure. Comment down below the tax topics or challenges you want help with, and I'll show you the exact ChatGPT prompts to make them easier.